Hello, Flytrex. I noticed that your color coding on your wires is a little different from the original wires on the 3DR, and maybe people are getting these mixed up.
Data link lost.
You
Check
notice the
connection.
red is on the left on their cable, and it's on the right on your cable. Also, down on the APM itself, where you plug the GPS in,
Data link lost.
the
Check
red
connection.
is the opposite. None of this makes any great difference except for the fact that we're going from a 5-pin to a 6-pin connector and one of the pins is missing. Now if people put this in the way they do their old one, they're going to put that red pin to the right in each case, which is actually kind of difficult because of the offset of the pinholes in this. You can actually get it in there and bend. That might be why some of the people are putting that red pin in and bending them, etc. They don't know that this cable's color-coded backwards. The other end is color-coded backwards on the rect mark that APM users would probably understand most. But I traced them back and found that the black and purple wire from the top is pins 1 and 2.
Data link lost. Check connection.
Oops, a little technical difficulty there. Because pin 5 is missing on this side, I would suppose a lot of users would hopefully know not to turn that around like the original connector. But on the other end, they're going to get in lots of trouble. And we have what coming out of here? We have black, purple, blue, and green. And if you look at the other side, you can see that the color coding on that side is black, purple, blue, green, and red. I don't know if some of these problems, if I hooked it up incorrectly during some of my tests when I first got it a few weeks back. I don't know if others are hooking it up wrong. Color coding really makes it easy to hook up incorrectly, makes it easy to damage the pins. I'm a computer engineer 43 years. I'm not bitching. I'm trying to help fix the problem. I've been waiting since you told me there was an APM problem to fly my Flytrex again, and I haven't heard for a couple of weeks. So I'm going to go back and open up that ticket, add this video to it, and see what we can come up with, because now you have the Flytrex live, but I'm not sure the APM customers stuff is working correctly yet. There's been little conversation, little communications from you to me about my problem, but I will go back to that same ticket or reopen a ticket and reference the other ticket. Oh, and if you want to, you can just send me a duplicate of my APM order for this help, because I charge $120 an hour for computer work for 43 years. This is the second quad I have that I don't have a Flytrex on, and as you can see, most of the APM users are going to be used to having the two red wires going in the same direction. And of course, again on the GPS pin 5 just being a hole. Unused. A hole's not a good term for a computer engineer for 43 years to use. So pin 5 is unused. On this side you can see the red on this APM is to the right. This could be part of the problem of, I don't know if this was my original problems or not. The flights I flew yesterday, I still had some strange flight data that's not being taken out either by the Flytrex or by the Flytrex program when it uploads. I am flying Flytrex, and I am using the drone share data built inside the APM in a comparison, and what I'm finding is drone share and the APM tossed me like one bad data point. Flytrex has tossed me 10 or 20. I can keep comparing them side by side, but so far Flytrex is not getting me good missions. whereas the same GPS through the same wire is getting me good drone share data for speed, altitude, everything. I'll open up another trouble ticket and see if we can work on this one. Thank you for your time.